I'm going to solve for the point of intersection, or in this case, it says solve the system for x and y. So that means elimination's really easy here, because you see how when I add this equation to this equation, the negative 4x and the plus 4x, they cancel out. And then I get 8y, because the 3y and the 5y gives me 8y. Combine these together, and I get negative 32. Divide by 8, divide by 8, and that's how I get the y. Plug the y back into one of the equations. I plugged it into this equation, plug my y in, and then this is a negative 20, so I added 20 to both sides. Divided by 4, and that's how you get 7. This one's a lot more difficult. I still need to eliminate a variable. I chose to eliminate the y's. If I multiply by 6, this becomes a negative 24y. Multiply by 4, this becomes a 24y. Or I could have multiplied by 2 and negative 5, and that also would have eliminated the x's. I could have multiplied by 3 here and get a negative 12. Multiplied by a 2 here and get 12. That would also work. So distribute the 6 to each one. That's how I got this equation. Multiply the 4 here. That's how where the 8x came from. 4 to that one. There's the 24y. And the 4 times the negative 10 gives you negative 40. When I add them together, these guys disappear. Combine these together, 38x. Combine these guys together, 38. And I end up with x equals 1. Plug 1 in for x into one of these two equations. I chose this one. Doesn't matter. Plug the 1 in. This is a 2, so I subtracted 2. Divided by 6, and that's how I got the negative 2.